Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this tutorial we will learn tuples. So as we discussed in the comparison video, so tuple uses parentheses and tuples are also not mutable. Okay, so here we'll see some exercise and we'll see how it works. So let me make one tuple quickly. So if I want to print any of its index, say t of 0, that is Aman. So Aman is coming, okay. But if I want to replace this t of 0 with something, is it possible? Obviously not, because they are not mutable. Okay, like list is generally mutable, but tuples are not. Okay, and they can have multiple. They can have a copy of the same element. Like Aman can come two times, as we discussed in the comparison video. Sets cannot have such thing. Okay, and if I want to print t, the whole thing should come. So Aman two times. Okay. One more thing. Suppose I have created this. Only one element is there. So is it a tuple now? I want to see the type. Okay, so I'll get to know whether it is tuple or not. So by using type function, I can see the type of anything. So it is showing a string. It's not a tuple yet. But if I put a comma here, it will become a tuple, even with the one element. So tuple. Okay. So tuple has its specific use and we use it whenever required. So that's it from my side. I'll link few exercises in the description. You can check it out. Thank you so much.